Yeah, so if you do need to replace the front CVA driveshaft joint, that's your reference number. I got this from Amazon. It was about £20 English, both for front drive shafts. Nice, easy, quick fix. A little bit quicker now, I know what I'm doing. I wrung out the other tyre. I mean, I probably should have, after the water bath, or the last of its water baths of many, I probably should have taken the tyres apart and dried out the foams, because it does add weight to the wheels. So yeah. Every day's a lesson, as they say. So, I know it's not exactly the right tool, but just using these side cutters to prise it up, not actually cut it. But yeah, that's the remains of the old drive shaft. So pop the hex off, pop the pin off, and do the what are we? 2mm hexes, top and bottom of the hub. I mean, it might be easier if I was to pop the body, maybe, but I don't want to make life easy. Yeah, this really couldn't be an easier job. That's one of the other advantages, especially if you're fairly new to the hobby, of something like these FTXs. Yeah, the electrics died on day one, so they were instantly upgraded. But typically speaking, they are exceptionally easy to work on. So I think I'll keep that one as a spare, probably soak it in some oil. Drop a new one in. Rotate it until it drops in that final click and stops turning. And then try not to knock the little bushings out of the inside here. If they do fall out, they go in from the inside out, sort of thing. Make sure the bearings go back in as well. The trickiest bit is just trying to get everything to line up. I mean, of course, I would make life easier if I undone that screw as well, but apparently I was born awkward, so I'll change the habit of a lifetime. That is nice. One nut for the wheel. Two little 2mm hexes, top and bottom for the hub, and job's a good one. Fish that all the way home. Drop the waterlogged wheel back on. And yeah, spare slightly used universal joint or CVA joint drive shaft.